Hey, I'm Greg Sharp, and welcome to this West Village townhouse that I designed. It's located on St. Luke's Place, one of the most idyllic blocks in New York City. It was built in the 1880s, and we restored the facade to its original condition. Let's go take a look. As soon as you walk in, you notice the dramatic double-height windows at the rear of the home. This makes everything more bright and airy than your typical townhouse. We designed the home to have many levels and different ceiling heights throughout. Here we are in the step-up living room. The fireplace is a definite focal point. It has a custom stone door that opens to reveal a television. Because I wanted all the public areas in the house to have a connection, we created this opening in the floor to connect the living room with the kitchen and the backyard. We created this glass bridge and rear balcony. This balcony adds a bit of drama and is a great place to catch the action if you're having a garden party, or to just step outside for a breath of fresh air. I have to talk about this grand staircase. Sculptural in its form, it's the main unifying element of the house. The staircase creates a visual experience. As your perspective changes, the stairs reveal the house and its artwork, including a custom Gabriel Scott chandelier. The last flight of stairs are made of glass and steel, and there is a large custom skylight bulkhead to let natural light flow down to the lower levels of the house. This kitchen is clean and modern and reflects the client's healthy lifestyle. Mainly because it's so big, you can actually burn calories moving around it. There are 2 islands, lots of counter space, terrazzo floors. It's also open to a family room with another fireplace, a dining area, and a rear yard. This is truly one of the most special places in this home. It has a barbecue area for summer grilling, a lounging area where you can soak up the sun, with landscaping embedded within the sides and the top. The yard is also terraced to allow for larger plantings and to provide you with that rarity in New York, a natural backdrop. In fact, this area feels like your own private park. Up here, there's both a north and south roof terrace with plenty of places to relax high above the city. There's even a custom marble pool that's perfect for soaking on hot summer days. And I can't think of a better place to end this tour, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've combined modern and traditional elements to create a new take on the West Village townhouse.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?